So hey guys, welcome back to Lindsay's Lunches, and today I'm going to show you how to make a really good and inexpensive slime. So let's get started. So all you'll need is a bowl, some silverware. I prefer knives and spoons, but if you only have forks, that's okay too. Some baking soda and contact lens solution. Some glue. You can just get the 4-ounce bottle of glue, and I'm using white glue because that's what I have on hand right now, but I am getting clear glue later today. So that video will be posted, and yeah. So you can also have a bunch of different add-ins like shaving cream, food coloring, foam beads, like regular beads, stuff like that. So let's get started. So first, I'm gonna pour just a little bit of my gallon of glue in here. So I bought a gallon because I'm constantly making slime. So yeah. And you guys look at, there's a bunch of like drip marks down there. So if you're only gonna make slime a few times, then I would get sorry that the camera's shaking. I would only get a few things of glue because like a few little bottles of glue. So I poured, well, I'll show you guys. I poured that much amount of glue in the bowl. Sorry, my bowl's a mess. And just to make sure it's thick, I watched a slime video and they said just mix it. So you can mix it if you want. Next, I'm gonna add some, what do you call it? Color. So I have a bunch of different colors in my slime bin, but I think I'm gonna go with teal because teal is my favorite. So I just added 2 drops of teal food coloring, and then you're just gonna mix till all the coloring is mixed together, and you're like there's like some swirls left, but like they're not dark swirls because then that means you still have coloring left. So let me show you the pretty color. Sorry guys. I'm trying to get the shot of the pretty color. Oh, there it is. So there's the pretty color. It is such a pretty color. So you don't have to add food dye. You could just make plain white slime. But I think coloring gives a little bit of a nicer touch to it. Next, if you want to add shaving cream, you can add that either before or after you add your coloring. But I'm not going to do that. So now, if you have another spoon on hand, take out another spoon. So you're going to take your baking soda. So I just used the Arm & Hammer pure baking soda. It works really well. And I got this huge bag at Target for only $2.69, which was really good. So you're just going to dip your spoon in there and fill it up. So you want to like level it off and just add it in there. And then you're going to mix in the baking soda. And you want to mix this in really well because you don't want any clumps of baking soda while you're playing with the slime. So now that it's all mixed up, I'm gonna go into my slime bin and grab some contact lens solution. And yeah. Oh, and you can also add glitter at this point too. But yeah. So yeah. Oh jeez. Something fell into the slime. I'll just put that on the table. So I just added in some contact lens solution and you're gonna mix. So normally the main contact lens solution that works really well is the BioTrue. So you just want to add your baking soda in, add some BioTrue, then add more baking soda in, because this is a really good method because you want an even amount. Now I'm gonna go in with a little BioTrue. I should have ordered more of this because, as you can see, I'm almost out. Sorry, that's my sister outside. She's playing in the snow. Now I'm just adding this. Sorry guys, that's my sister. She's playing in the snow. So we got like 2 inches of snow last night where I live. So yeah. So it's starting to pull away from the sides of the bowl. So after I add just a little bit more baking soda, I'm gonna go in with my hands.
I got it kind of. It's hard to get it. Go ahead. Throw snow. Do it again one more time.
So I'm just gonna mix in that little bit of baking soda. So as you can see there. So yeah, so now I'm gonna take it off. It's okay. So now I'm gonna take it off of my spoon and start kneading it. So unless you want a really thick slime that only lasts you a few days, please do not add water. And you can also add foam beads, but you want to add it when the slime's semi-activated, semi-sticky, because you want them to stick in. And I learned on a slime video that you want to use your dominant hand, one hand, and knead, so you have another hand to grab activator and stuff like that. Okay. So now I took it out of the bowl and I'm gonna knead it. So I am getting containers in today, so I'll put it in there. I'm actually getting 50 of them, which is a lot. And all my friends are asking me to make them slime, so I think I'm gonna make some of them slime. So you guys, this is the end result of the slime. So it's like a pretty light teal color. It's very stretchy. It kind of reminds me of mermaid slime, but I'm not going to call it mermaid slime because I already have mermaid Pop-Tart slime. And yeah, I might call it Ocean's Breeze, because that's a pretty color.
Do I have snow on me, Mommy?
Sorry, that was my sister. So now I'm going to do a little ASMR for you guys. So yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching this slime tutorial. I hope you guys learn from it, and I hope you guys can make great slime. And yeah, so love ya, bye.